This Torit IRDS is capable of 5,875 to 6,375 CFM, depending on static pressure. Your air and waste is going to travel into this 18-inch inlet. The fan is a modified radial fan. It's going to come up through your outlet, through this ductwork that we have detached, up into your top plenum. On the front side of that plenum, you're going to find a series of deflectors, 3 to be exact. Torit calls those adjustable distribution vane levers. They're going to allow you to control where the dust goes, where it travels into the bag, so this way you do not fill one bag ahead of the other. Your dust and air are then going to flow through these 28 7-inch by 60-inch filters. The center here is where your shaker is mounted, and your air is going to exhaust out of those filters, and your waste is going to drop into these 10 cubic foot dust collection bags. So you have a total of 4 for 40 cubic feet of storage down below. Those are 24 inches in diameter. On the left side of the dust collector, you do have a place to put your roll of bags. This Torit IRDS dust collector is powered by a 20 horsepower Balder motor that is coupled to a square D disconnect and starter. It is fused, and that is a very, very nice quality starter. This dust collector also has the optional 1/3 horsepower shaker. It has both manual and auto modes. It is going to make this dust collector 8 to 12% more efficient by keeping the filters clean. This 20 horsepower Torit IRDS stands 124.6 inches tall, is 45.3 inches deep, and 170.5 inches wide. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.